A seed phrase is a set of words used to back up and recover access to a cryptocurrency wallet. It's an important security measure to ensure that you always have access to your funds, even if you lose your wallet or forget your password. Think of a seed phrase like a spare key. Just as you might keep a spare key in your house in case you lose your main key, a seed phrase acts as a spare key to your cryptocurrency wallet. When you create a wallet, you will be given a unique set of 12 or 24 words that make up your seed phrase. You should write these words down and store them somewhere safe and secure, such as a fireproof safe or a safety deposit box. It is highly advisable to not store your seed phrase online. It's important to keep your seed phrase safe and never share it with anyone, as it can be used to steal your funds if it falls into the wrong hands. If you ever need to recover access to your wallet, you can simply enter your seed phrase into a compatible wallet application and regain access to your funds. Overall, understanding the concept of a seed phrase is essential for anyone who wants to securely store and manage their cryptocurrency holdings and ensure that they always have access to their valuable funds.